In this video, I'm going to show you how to record vocals in BandLab Mobile. Now, the first thing you have to do is simply want to go and add a track, which is the audio voice track. Now, to do this, here you can see your tracks. You want to go to the left-hand side where you can see the plus button. Now, depending on how many tracks you have, it's going to be either at the top or at the bottom. For me, it's over here on the left, just basically below this yellow track. So tap on that. And from here, it's going to say new track, and you want to tap on the voice/audio, which will allow you to basically record your vocals. So tap on that, and from here, as you can see, it's automatically going to get selected. If it doesn't, simply just tap on it over here, and it's going to basically open up like this, and you can then go and start recording vocals by pressing on the record button down at the bottom. So this is the red circle. Tap on it, it's going to automatically start recording just like this. It's now recording what I'm talking, and then when you're done, tap on that square button at the bottom again, and as you can see, it's now recorded, and I have my vocals in here. If I play this, it's basically just going to play my voice just like that. So that's basically how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.